Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope really well. Checking out a new area, possible new area. I do a 360. So it looks like this is sort of a dirt dumping place. I'm pretty sure it's private land. You can tell by the dirt mounds, probably the city or county, maybe. This looks like dirt and large rocks. I was hoping I could get something going here. Maybe do a day camp. Just walked up this hill over here, and over this hill over here, there's a huge development area, lots of houses. So. Yeah. Saw looks like a dad and his son on dirt bikes, which looked pretty fun, but they took off that way. I don't know where to though. I might head down and head into the wooded area. Just looking for a place to shoot videos that's not a trash heap. So, probably a little overpacked. You know, I got the Hidden Woodsman day ruck and the haversack, which I might dump out in another video and show you what I brought today. I probably could have gone a little bit low, a little lighter weight just for the quicker movement, but it's alright. I can always adjust gear as need be. I almost brought the Trangia, but I decided just to bring a stove, canister stove. So we had a lot of rain yesterday. I mean, last night it just dumped rain, so it kind of put the kibosh on the weekend. But we're gonna head down the hill a little ways and go off trail where those dirt bikes went down, and those woods just over here. It's a little thin, but maybe I can find something else that works. Naturally, I'm gonna bring you along and show what I'm gonna be doing. So let's get to it. I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera because it's hard to tell in the viewfinder, but you can actually see evidence where there's been fire. Let's see if I can zoom in. See the black bases of the trees. That's crazy. So, I haven't gotten too far down the road, still on the road. I was just debating my options. So I'm thinking this way looks pretty thinned out as far as anything, although the walking would probably be a lot easier. Excuse me. And then there's, down the road, I see something on the trail. Oops, sorry, kicked the leg. Now, it looks thicker over here, but it could be a nightmare to walk through. Unless I found like a game trail that took me in. So, although I'm liking right between those two trees here, maybe that's a game trail. I can get in and then kind of find a little place to set up. So, well, it does look to be some sort of game trail, just cutting right through here. It's not really that far to the tree line, so it might be very doable. Getting through this on the ground could be a real pain in the ass, but mechanical injury waiting to happen. So let's see, do a quick check. I do have cell service out here, so. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so I went around and I picked up all the deadfall, just threw it off to the side. Also cut down a few of these. Well, I hate cutting down green stuff, but you know, I can only stand getting smacked in the face so many times before it's like, okay, I'm gonna get you out of the way. So, hopefully, there's another secondary road just over here that I crossed. Bushwhacking actually wasn't too bad. I could have actually avoided that whole power line road if I had just gone up the like dozed road that they had. I don't know if this will be a permanent site, but it might be one of my few, because I want to get something a little bit more woodsy. And this crap is just, it's annoying as hell. But you know, what are you gonna do? It's rough. And the best part about being right here is there's not a speck of trash. There's a ribbon tied up in a tree here, but I'm gonna leave that there because it's gonna be my spot marker. So, I mean, someone probably walked through here. Probably someone works here, Forest Service maybe, or just whoever runs this place. Probably came by and marked it. So that's cool, but that will serve as my camp marker. So most of this is going to be relatively untouched. I mean, I just picked up the stuff off the ground, threw it aside. It's way too wet to burn. So I think I gotta redo my pack, and it would have been nice to have everything contained. Like, I brought a chair with me to sit down on, but I just carried a chair in. It would have been nice to go hands-free. I could have brought the lighter tripod instead of the 6-pound monstrosity, although I know it can handle the bushwhacking. But, you know, it is what it is. So, no fire. But that's fine because, one, it's really wet, but two, someone could see the smoke. I don't think I could have any fire in here. And it's also, because it's wet, it's going to smoke like crazy, so. Unless I bring out firewood, but that would just be a lot of work. So, yeah. So it could potentially be good for just shooting videos and whatnot. I got a lot of stoves and stuff, so I can bring a different stove out. I could probably get away with a little wood burning stove, because I got a lot of lichen hanging here. I could probably bring out some plastic bags and do like sort of a little mini shelter and just kind of stash some wood underneath to keep the rain off. You know, just put some plastic down, or put some wood down first, build up like a little platform, and then put the wood on top and then cover it with plastic. And just stash it over here. Maybe cover it with some boughs if I find some down, but you know, I can make it work. Haversack fell over. So I was sitting here thinking, and where you see my flannel hanging next to my trash bag, that I I got a tree right behind me too, and I could probably run a line from that tree to the one behind me, and then do up and hang up a tarp for if it's out here, if it's raining or just wet day. Maybe go to Harbor Freight and get one of those camo tarps. I'm enjoying a hot beverage. That might be kind of nice. Might be a good spot for wet day outings. Plus, maybe I could bring out a large trash bag, a black one, and actually stash the tarp out here somewhere with the cordage, and just always have it here. So when I come back, I can just grab it instead of having to pack it out every time. It's just an idea. Sun's actually, blue skies are coming out. It's like mostly cloudy. And some sun coming through. It's pretty nice. Very quiet now too. I can hear traffic, but it's pretty faint. I think it's coming off from that way. There's really not much I can do about traffic noise. So, well, I think that's going to do it for today. Got my trash bag. Pack it in, pack it out. Left nothing but footprints and soon to be a puddle where I'm going to whiz. So, now that I know where the spot is, I can come back for more outings and hopefully some video shoots. Probably going to bring out a tarp. I might go look in the Harbor Freight and get a tarp and leave it out here. I might swing by today, see what they cost, because I get this tree here, and I'll just spin you around and show you. I got this tree right here that's just crooked because of the ground. So I think between the two, I could put up a nice tarp. I got this tree here. I think I can run something across just to keep it up. And then I got these two right here that I can do something with as well. So I think I got a good amount to work with. I mean, the ground is crazy unlevel here, uneven, so it's a bit of an issue, but not much I can do about it. But hey, as long as no one else comes out to this spot, you know, it'll be all mine, litter free. Sadly, I can't do everything I want with it because it's not my property, but you know, I have stoves I can use, so there's always something I can do out here. Alright, I'm going to get some footage of the residential area I talked about in the beginning of the video. I didn't get any footage of it, I realized, so I'll probably get a few quick shots on my way out. Hopefully my car is up and towed. Well, fingers crossed. So, alright, if you got any suggestions, things you want to see, let me know. I appreciate the view and your comments, as always. And I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully there'll be, more opportunities to get out here. Alright, see ya. Well, here's the residential area I was telling you about. Just a bunch of homes. There's my Jeep. Still there, glad to see it. There's just a whole bunch of houses all up and through here. Looks like they're lots for new homes, all scattered through here, so. But for now, hopefully it'll be a good place to do day videos. The crickets. I saw grasshoppers jumping around or up above. Traffic. I found this spot. What I did is I drove by here while I was working. Got a delivery over here. Then I jumped on Google Maps and I just, pre-scouted the area by zooming the map in. And you can also go down to street level. So then I zoomed out and I was checking out the surrounding areas. Plane overhead. There might be something closer to my house, but for now this will work. Alright, thanks for watching.